The widget displays your surface interval time, tissue load, and central nervous system oxygen toxicity percentage. The surface interval is calculated from the end of the last dive and is measured in days. OTU refers to oxygen toxicity unit. Used to measure systemic absorption toxicity caused by prolonged exposure to high oxygen partial pressure. The most common symptoms are discomfort in the lungs, burning sensation in the chest, coughing and reduced vital capacity. N2HE refer to nitrogen and helium. Either we use trimix or air for the dive. We have to track the proportion of nitrogen and helium in our body. Nitrogen and helium are referred to as inert gases. If the inert gases don't come out of the body through normal blood circulation or the general air exchange mechanism in the lungs, it may cause decompression sickness. CNS means central nervous system oxygen toxicity. What are the factors that cause divers to have CNS oxygen toxicity? Number 1. Divers' personal factors. For example, everyone can tolerate different levels of oxidized substances. Number 2. Diving activities. For example, when you dive in cold water or your diving direction is against the water flow. Number 3. The gases and gears you use. For example, trimix, O2, rebreather. Number 4. Drugs. For example, pseudoephedrine. According to early research, you have to always be aware of your body reaction and your feeling when inhaling. The different density of gases is one of the reasons to increase the possibility of CNS oxygen toxicity and a seizure. If the gas you use is high density, it might produce more CO2 in your body. Also, the inert gases might cause CNS more easily. There is a time limit to expose the CNS under PO2. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.